A unique solution to the rescue, introducing Compumagick's QR codes for business services. Do you feel like your business isn't reaching all potential customers? Are you looking to increase sales and reduce advertising and paperwork? Compumagick's QR codes for business services can help you do just that. Our technology allows your customers to gain access to all the necessary product information with just a simple scan. Let me walk you through the 3 main advantages of our QR codes. 1. Increase sales by leading people to informative product pages. Place QR codes on various printed materials such as business cards, postcards, lobbies, and merchandise to provide customers with product pages with more detailed information. And with our platform, you can even set up an e-store to make it easy for customers to purchase. 2. Advertise your services. With our QR codes, you can advertise your services on digital and print content, showing people examples of real-life interviews and testimonies of your work. In addition, you can even show off samples of your different projects you've done. 3. Ensure clients' products are authentic. By printing QR codes onto seals on popularly counterfeited products, you can show customers where it was made and when. Additionally, you can even add a hologram and serial number to up the trust in your brand. If you'd like to learn more about Compumagick's QR codes for business services and how it can help your business, please schedule a quick demo meeting using the link below.